Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI video generator platform, which is Jogg. So let's start. Jogg is quickly becoming a favorite AI video generator in 2025 for creators, marketers, and small teams who want fast, high-quality video content without needing editing skills. Using text prompt, Jogg can instantly turn script or ideas into professional-looking videos with voiceovers, transitions, and stock visual. It's simple to use. Just type what you want, choose a style, and Jogg does the rest for you. It also supports multiple languages, offer a real-time video preview, make it a great for art, social media, and explainer content. What makes Jogg stand out is its speed, ease, and customization. You can tweak voice tone, video length, and also visual together with more without touching a timeline. It's perfect for teams who want to produce daily and weekly content without hiring the editors. While it may not be ideal for detailed storytelling or cinematic projects, for quick marketing videos or presentation, Jogg is one of the best and most user-friendly AI video tools in 2025. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this video editing platform. And if you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.